Well, everybody, seems like the creek's a little packed. Looks like we're gonna start out today's adventure here. Not too many spots I want to hit up on this stretch of the creek. As you guys can see, there isn't a ton of flow here, and it's not too likely that there's many trout hanging out in this spot. But this is one of the spots that has been known to hold them from time to time. So let's give it a shot. Man, they certainly stocked a lot of palominas this year. Another big one right in front of us. Let's see if we can get them. Well, once again, not the one we're looking for. Here we go. And he's off. There we go, there's another. Rainbow this time. I'm telling you, there's a lot of fish out here despite there not being any water flow. He came off. That's what I like. Don't have to deal with them. Silly rainbow trout. It seems like they're all right under this tree here. It's a good spot for them. Worm is like completely demolished. Got this one. Another rainbow. There's one. Decent rainbow. There we go. And he's off. Well, these fish have pretty much shut off from the pink, so we're just switching over to the natural color Berkeley trout worm. Show you how I have this guy rigged up here. Pretty much just do a Texas rig, a couple centimeters in the nose, come out the bottom, push it all the way up to the top of the shank, wrap it around right through the middle. About 1.5 feet away from our hook, we have a very tiny little split shot, and about 1.5 feet away from that, we have a very tiny fly fishing indicator. Kind of doing a little bit of a false float here, because I don't want this thing to float directly on top of the water. That's why the little split shot is on there, just to give it a little depth, but we don't want to have to do too much work. So the indicator just helps it float along the bottom, especially in an area like this where there's not really too much flow. With polarized lenses, I can still see my indicator even when it's under the water. Lets me know when I have a fish on. Just like this guy right here. Another rainbow. There is another. Got to be some more fish hanging around. Like this sunny right here. Not what we're here for, but nevertheless, we will take him. Chill out, man. What's up with these fish today? Hype as heck. Red breast sunfish. Yeah, those little native panfish and bass will start coming out this time of year. Make it a little harder to catch the stock trout. That's all right though. Stock trout don't necessarily really belong here, but the panfish and the small little bass definitely do. There's another. 2 in a row. There's another. There we go. There's another. See if we can get some hands on this one. There we go. Beautiful looking fish. And he released himself. There we go. Got this one. Little brownie. Quite all right with me. I don't mind if they splash around and release themselves. Just in it for the action. Oh boy. Ay, ay, ay.